In this video, I'll show you how you can find your PayPal account ID on the application. But before we start looking for your PayPal account ID, let's define what is a PayPal account ID. So a PayPal account is identified by the email address or mobile number used for login, not a specific account number or ID. So to be able to receive payments, you can share this email address or mobile number with the sender. But if you're a merchant, you may have a separate merchant ID for use with payment buttons. So to be able to look for or find your PayPal account ID, you'll simply need to click on your profile icon, which you'll find at the top right of your screen. And then below that, you'll be able to find your registered email address and mobile number. So simply share this with that specific individual to whom you want to share your PayPal account ID to, and they'll be able to send you money through that. And that's basically how you can find PayPal account ID on the application. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.